There are many such secrets in the universe about which we are still unaware. Human beings are aware of only 5% of the entire universe, but even those 5% are so much for us that it is beyond our capability to know everything. And it is not just for us to know everything. It remains a mystery, and one of those mysteries is that of day, night, and weather. We see this situation every day and also feel how the sun is rising and how the day is setting. And with it, how the weather also changes. But have you ever thought about how day and night occur in our world? And how the weather changes every 3 to 4 months? How, at one place where there is melting heat, at the same place, snow starts falling. So come with us. Let's expose this secret and know how all this happens. All of you are very welcome to our channel Explainer Hindi. So first of all, let's start with day and night, and how this process happens on the Earth. There is no huge rocket science behind this process, but there is a very small concept. To understand this process, you need to know about it. Suppose you are sitting facing a light. You will feel that the light is falling directly on your face, but no light is reaching the back of your head. Did you understand anything? Yes, you are thinking absolutely right. There is day on your face and night behind your head. Something similar is happening in our universe as well. Our sun is just like a bulb, which keeps on producing light all the time and keeps on illuminating the things around it. Because our Earth is round, so half of it is in sunlight and half in darkness. The part on which sunlight is falling has day, and the other part has night. But a question will arise in your mind. If sunlight is falling at one place, but sunlight keeps coming, then how will there be day in the other part of the Earth? The answer to this is very simple. As we all know, the Earth rotates on its axis, and it completes one rotation in 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds, which we consider to be 24 hours. The sunlight keeps falling at one place only, but the Earth keeps rotating slowly and gives sunlight to every part of its body. It keeps bringing the day in front of the Earth, and in this way, day and night keep happening in every country on the Earth. For example, India and America are both behind each other, so when it is day in India, it will be night in America, and when it is day in America, then it will be night in India. This process always continues like this because the Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours, so we have a day of 24 hours, out of which 12 hours are day and 12 hours are night. Isn't it very difficult to understand? Now, all of you know that the Earth rotates on its axis, but the Earth is absolutely at the center of the universe. It is not straight, rather it is slightly tilted. That means the axis on which the Earth is rotating is tilted 23.5 degrees, due to which different types of weather are formed on the Earth. Suppose there are 3 lines on the Earth, and the line where the sunlight would be falling directly, it would be very hot and cold at other places. Suppose India is on this upper line, then India, due to direct sunlight, will be hot here, but Australia is on this lower line, and the rays of the sun are not able to reach here properly, due to which it will be very cold here. And all the countries which are on this upper line, it will be hot in those countries, because all these countries, while revolving, will come in front of the sun one by one and will keep feeling its heat. And it will be cold in all the countries on this bottom line. But now a question will arise again in your mind that if this continues, then how will it be hot in Australia? Or how will summer come in all those countries which are situated on this lower line? Then the answer to this is also very simple. As I have told you earlier, the Earth rotates on its axis, but along with revolving on its axis, it also revolves around the sun. And the Earth completes one revolution around the sun in 365 days, 6 hours and 9 minutes. And for our convenience, we consider it as 365 days. We consider the same and count the remaining 6 hours in leap year. But we will not complicate the video much, and for now consider leap year. We will ignore the peer and understand it in some other video. When the Earth revolves around the sun and comes to the other side of it, then this lower line comes exactly in front of the sun, and the upper line goes away from the direct rays of the sun, due to which what happens is that now the countries on the bottom line will get direct sunlight, and it will be summer here, and the countries on the second line will experience winter. Meaning now there will be intense heat in Australia and intense cold in India. But apart from this, there are 2 more situations in which the Earth is in such a position in front of the sun that the sunlight falls on the line in between. In this situation, the direct sunlight does not reach any line above or below, And now in these countries, it is neither too hot nor too cold. We call these seasons autumn and spring, and in Hindi, Sharad Ratu and Vasant. This upper line is called Tropic of Cancer, that is Cancer lines, and this lower line is called Tropic of Capricorn. That is, it is called the Tropic of Capricorn, and the line in between is called the equator. When the sunlight falls directly on the Tropic of Cancer, if it is on 21st June, then it is called summer solstice, and this day is on 21st June. This day is the hottest day of the whole year, and on the contrary, when the sun is on the Tropic of Capricorn, then it is known as winter solstice. This day is the coldest day of the year, and this day has been included in our calendar on 22nd December. Apart from this, all of you will be very interested to know one more thing, that how come there are 6 months of day and 6 months of night at many places on the earth. So let us explain this thing to you as well. Because of the tilt of the earth, when the sunlight falls on the Tropic of Cancer, you will notice that there is never darkness in the North Pole because the earth is tilted, so the North Pole is always in front of the sun. It remains in front, and as long as the sun is kind to the Tropic of Cancer, all the countries in the North Pole, such as Norway, Sweden and Finland, will have daytime. And on the contrary, the sunlight does not reach the South Pole, and hence it remains sunny there for 6 months. There will be night till then, and there will be day only when the Tropic of Capricorn comes in front of the sun. I hope that through this video, you people will understand the day and night on our Earth, and you must have got good information about the weather. If you liked the video, then like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in another such Romachak video.